What? Oh, wow. Well, maybe that's why this place is Area 51, because that sign's an alien. I told you they keep aliens in Area 51. I mean, why would there be an alien sign there and you left me again? Gotta stop doing that. He's right in front of us! Look away, look away. Oh, you died. Why did you die? Why did you... Yeah, you screamed. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Oh, okay, okay. He's getting really aggressive. He's getting really aggressive. Really aggressive. This is bad because my guy has low sanity. What is he? Like, is there like more than one? Okay, is it safe? Okay. I ain't looking behind anyone. Okay, my flashlight. Oh! Oh! Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm a ghost. Where are you? I don't know where you are walking. Did you go the opposite way I did? Did you go into this corridor? Oh, okay, I can find out where you are. You just did? It sucks. Okay, I found the locker room, so if I can find out where you exited, I can find you. Oh, I see you. I can see your flashlight flashing. No! I'm stuck. There we go. I see you. Hi. Can you see me? Okay. Oh, just to let you know, I can't see him, so I can't tell you to watch out for anything. I can just spectate you. Yeah, I'm surprised. Man, I don't know how you don't get scared. I am shaking right now, and you don't even scream. I mean, jeez, you're like hardcore. Yeah, mine was like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this the thing that's chasing us? Oh, it looks like it. Jeez. Oh, maybe it's this thing. Oh. Oh, I see you. Give me a second. Okay. Where'd you go? I lost you again. There you are. Boxes. I know. Actually, all the places are huge. Even the original maps are huge. Yeah, you're gonna love the museum. That one's more confusing. I'm guessing he's behind you. Whoa, is this a train? It's a train. Well, at least we never got to explore this place. Yeah, for a second. Then we got, him chasing us, like, everywhere we walked. I like that. That way I can keep up to you for once. Yeah, that would be bad. I can hear a tape. I wonder, can I see the tapes? Well, I hear a tape. Okay, I can't see him anymore because he went around the corner. Okay, I'm going around the corner then. Did you go in the locker rooms? Okay, I'm guessing you went out this door. Yes, you did. I see you. Yep, you're right. What is it? Try looking for it to see if I can see it. It's right there, and I can see it. That's cool. I can tell you what tapes are. Oh, we can cheat. Oh, true. That would be, like, horrible. Really? Another one already? Okay, is it down here? It's fading, it's not down here. Oh, hey, it's a green thing. Books. Ha! There's another one in here. Yep. Where is it? There it is. Why would it say? He's probably telling the truth. Yeah. Really? Another one already? Nope. It's a tape. Nope, it's a green thing. Hey, we've been down here. Yeah, we've been down here. Oh, yeah, I can see clearly now that is a UFO. And there's a green thing under the UFO. Ah! I found 2, you found 4. Distance walked. Well, of course you walked more than me. Screams. Ooh, that's funny. Okay, that's how long it took us to find each other. I could see where he started attacking us millions of times. Yeah, right there, he started attacking us a lot. Okay, now I'm blue because I'm dead. Oh, that's funny. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna probably play one more off camera because this game's so fun and it's fun to watch the replays. But have fun.